How to make a self-watering planter. Materials required: plastic bottle, scissors, cotton jute or thread, plant, soil and water. Take a plastic bottle and cut it into two halves of 1/4 and 3/4. Disclaimer: do not use scissors or cutter without adult supervision. Make a hole in the bottle cap using a scissor or cutter. Take the cotton or jute thread, dip it in water and cut it as per the required size. Make a knot in the thread and insert it into the bottle cap inside out. Take some soil and add it to the top 1/4 portion. Place the sapling and fill the remaining portion with soil. Fill the bottom portion with water and place the top portion on the top of it. Planter is ready. Decorate your planter to make it look unique.